Hey guys, so today we have a very late witch casket box to show you. This is October's box. We're nearly in December. It's just been a mess lately. I got behind because of Halloween hauls, then I got sick, then my neighbours have been hell. It's just a lot, so hopefully you can stick through this video. It's pouring it down, which hopefully you can't hear too loud, and I do apologise in advance that I sound so disgusting. I know I do, so hopefully it's not too annoying. But like I said, today witch casket, if you haven't seen it before, it is £29 a month to the UK. They do send it all over the world. I'll put the ones that I do know down below. If your country is not there, then you would just have to check the website, but they do post it everywhere though. And yeah, I've not even opened this yet. No idea what the theme is, nothing like that. We're going to open it together. My mum now gets witch casket, so she told me that this one was a good one. So fingers crossed. I am hoping that this one is full and amazing. So right on the top, we have our little booklet as always. And this month's theme, or October's theme, is divination. Kind of giving spooky, which I'm liking. We've got some pumpkins, skulls, witch hats, cauldrons, pentagrams, stuff like that. So hopefully it is kind of a Halloweeny theme. And this booklet just tells you about all of the items in the box if you get it. So I'm not going to go through that. I'm going to show you, but that is what that is. Okay, so right on the top, first thing we have is our little mini art print as always. This one is very dark. It's kind of like a woods scene, and we've got a little witch and a cat sat at a table here with a candle and a crystal ball, and then a little moon and fairy lights and stuff around them. Hopefully you can see that little owl up here. And if you don't want to use this as an art print, they now do this on the back where it's a monthly manifestations card. So it says, what are my goals this month? What practical steps can I take to reach these goals? And what magical steps can I take to reach these goals? So that is that. Then we have our spell kit, so you always get a spell kit. This one is Prophetic Dreams Pillow Pouch Kit. It says it contains everything you need to encourage prophetic dreams. So let's open this and see what is in here. Okay, so we do have our little instructions, which I'll hold up and show you in a second. And then we have a little silky purple drawstring pouch, some amethyst chips, a little pouch of violet, and a little mini scroll as well. So they are the 4 things needed. And then this is our instructions, so if anyone wants to pause and read it, you can do. And that was everything in the Prophetic Dreams Pillow Pouch Kit, little spell kit. Then next we have our little pin, so you always get an enamel pin as well. And this one seems to be like 3 little cards, tarot cards or something, with a little crystal going through them. It's just got 1 pin on the back, and it's like purple and silver. So that is this month's pin. And then we get to the things that aren't monthly. So the first thing I can see is this little card holder, which is really cute. It's wooden. It's got little symbols like engraved into here on the front. And then on the top it says past, present and future. Now I like this because I have no idea how to do tarot cards, tarot readings, anything like that. But sometimes, like very rarely, usually around New Year time, I do a past, present and future like card thing, and then just read which each one means. So this is definitely something that I would use. I think this is really sweet. Very well made, big chunk of wood. I know that this would be pretty helpful for a lot of practicing people, so that is a cute item. I do like that. That is our first bigger thing that we got. Then next we have one of my favourite things to get in a witch casket, and that is some cards. So these are Intuitive Insights Oracle. It says a unique oracle deck created for intuitive readers to gain insight into their past, present and future. So that is what that wooden thing is for. This deck was created to be used in many ways depending on your reading style. Ask a question, pick a card, and use your intuition to decipher the message. Use past, present, or future readings, or include in more in-depth oracle readings for deeper insight. So let's have a see what this looks like. Oh, these are cute. They're little coffin shapes. I love that. I think that is so sweet. Okay, they're very like tattooy designs as well. So we've got tears, blessings, growth, endings, deceit, battles, loads and loads of different ones. I'm not going to go through all of them, but they are so cute though. So on the back it says Witch Casket Intuitive Insight Oracle, and then on the front we have these kind of tattoo design black and white coffin shape cards. Love those. I think they are, oh, there's some more in here that I missed out. I think that they are definitely one of my favorite cards that we've gotten from them, just because of the shape and stuff. I think they're really cool. So that is a little card deck. Then next we have a Divination Coin. It says use this uncomplicated divination tool for simple yes and no questions. Hold the coin and charge it by focusing on your question. Toss the coin and see what the insight holds. So this is just a big metal coin. It says no on one side, yes on the other side. It is metal because it's absolutely freezing and it's very, very heavy. Again, quite like that actually. I think that is really cute and useful as well. So that is our little divination coin. This box is definitely doing well so far. Then next we have our crystal for the month. So you always get a gemstone, crystal, something like that. And this one is, I'm gonna butcher it, it is Iolite, maybe, possibly. I'm not sure if I've ever heard of this one before. So this one, it kind of looks a little bit like an amethyst. It's like purple and green and white stripes. It says this powerful stone encourages psychic awareness and intuition and can be an effective divination aid. It can help with overthinking, scattered thoughts, and codependency or addiction. It's also a stone of balance, motivation, confidence, and clear thinking. So that is our stone for the month. Very nice. Then we have another little pouch, and this has a pendulum pendant in it, I think. Yep, so it says Divination Pendulum / Pendant. Comes on this little black cord, and then this is what it looks like on the end. It's just like a very heavy black metal, maybe I would say. Pointed metal. It says hold the pendulum by the cord and allow it to settle. Ask a yes or no question that you already know the answer to and see which way the pendulum swings. That allows you to ascertain the direction of the yes and no. Then you can ask questions where the answer is unknown and see what the insight of the pendulum offers. It can also be used with any pendulum board or cloth and help to find missing items. So again, very cool. If you did want to wear it as a necklace, it's a very simple, cute, plain, not cheesy little necklace. So yeah, I like that as well. Like I said, this box is doing very well, and we seem to have a really big thing here now in a second. So let's see what this is. So the last item before our incense and scroll is this. This is magical telling tiles with a casting cloth, it says. So, a unique divination tool created by Deb exclusively for Witch Casket subscribers. Take your tiles in your hand and hold them about 6 inches above the cloth. Release the tiles and read the ones which land face up. Use your intuition to decipher the messages this magical divination tool holds based on what the area of the cloth your tiles come to rest. If you have a specific question you'd like insight to, ask your question, shake the tiles in the bag, and then pick one tile to read. Okay, so let's see what this looks like. So we have our little bag of tiles, and then I'm assuming that this is our cloth. Oh, it's a cloth, but it also is the bag. So it's got like a drawstring around it. So on one side we have this little symbols, mystic balls, eyes, moons, hats, stuff like that. And then on this side we have like words and stuff. So it says life, spirituality, career, physical health, self, emotional health, finance and relationships all around it. And then like I said, you can drawstring pouch this up to make a cute little bag. How sweet is that? Like this. So it's our bag, but it's also our cloth as well. Love that. And then we have our little pouch of tiles. So there is 6 different ones. I will try and read out what they mean. So we've got the envelope. This one means communication. We've got the door, which means opportunity. We've got the gift, which means good news is coming. We have the weight, which means a heavy burden. We've got the dice, which means take a chance. And we've got the hourglass, which means patience is needed. And they are all little... Ooh, lost one there. They are all little wooden tiles as well in this little pouch. So that was our magical telling tiles with casting cloth / bag. Then we have some incense. These are divination incense. It says a magical blend of peppermint and patchouli. Kind of hate the smell of that. Patchouli is not for me personally. It says light the incense and affirm, third eye open and let me see all the truth hidden from me. That is those. And then we have our little scroll. So I will open this and hold it up in case anyone wants to pause and read it. This one is allomancy. Apparently it's an ancient practice of divination using salt. So like I said, if anyone wants to pause and read, they can do. And yeah, that was everything in the October witch casket. So I'll quickly grab it all and show you it all together at once. So we had the little mini art print, the Prophetic Dreams pillow pouch kit, the metal Divination Coin, our little monthly enamel pin, the Divination Pendulum / pendant, our little crystal for the month or gemstone for the month, the little Intuitive Insight Oracle cards, the wooden past, present and future card holder, the divination incense sticks, the magical telling tiles with casting cloth, and the scroll as well. So that was everything in the October witch casket box. Finally, I really liked this one. I think this one was definitely worth it. A very full box, a very nice box, a very unusual box as well. Stuff we've not had a lot of before. I love these tiles and the little cloth and stuff. I love the coin. I love the wooden thing. The cards as well. I think this one was really, really, really good. So I'm back not being disappointed, which is nice. I definitely think that this is the best box they've had in a really, really long time. You'll have to let me know what you think down below, if you agree or not, what your favourite thing was. But yeah, finally very happy with this one, so that is great. I will put the link down below for Witch Casket as well, in case you want to go and check them out. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.